ever wondered why an apple turns brown when left out, or why fireworks explode into brilliant colors? These are examples of chemical reactions, the invisible architects of our world. In essence, a chemical reaction is a process that leads to the transformation of one set of chemical substances to another. But did you know these reactions can be categorized into 5 main types? First, there's the combination or synthesis reaction. This is like a romantic dance where 2 or more elements or compounds decide to come together and form one product. It's as if hydrogen and oxygen got together at a party and left as water. Next, we have the decomposition reaction, the exact opposite of a synthesis reaction. It's like a rock band breaking up, where a single compound breaks down into 2 or more simpler substances. It's when our beloved water decides to go solo and breaks up into hydrogen and oxygen. Then there's the single displacement reaction, essentially a game of musical chairs. One element in a compound decides it has had enough and swaps places with another element. Imagine if in a compound of copper sulfate, iron walks in, pushes copper out of the way and takes its place, leaving us with iron sulfate and copper. Next up is the double displacement reaction. This is a partner swapping dance where 2 compounds exchange ions or bonds to form different compounds. Picture sodium sulfate and barium chloride at a dance, deciding to swap partners and leaving as barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Lastly, we have the combustion reaction, the life of the party, where a compound combines with oxygen, resulting in a release of energy in the form of light and heat. It's what happens when you light a candle or start a bonfire. So, to recap, chemical reactions are everywhere. In the food you eat, the air you breathe, and even in the stars above you. They can be combination, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement, or combustion reactions. Each type has its own unique dance, with elements and compounds coming together, breaking apart, or swapping partners. Chemistry is not just a subject in school, it's a fascinating world of reactions waiting to be explored. So the next time you see an apple turn brown or fireworks light up the sky, you'll know there's a whole lot of chemistry involved.